Hello students, welcome to your physical education class. Earlier we had discussed about what is psychology. ठीक है जी, we discussed about how it originated, कि how these their terms or definition of psychology changed with time. ठीक है जी. So we discussed about soul, mind, consciousness, and at the end of the day we can say that now these days behavior from the behavior of a person you can judge the psychology of a person. ठीक है. So it is first paragraph of your book, it is mentioned that today in the tough competition world, the sports performance of an athlete or a player only depends on psychological factors, कि how he is mentally prepared. Same thing will be there implemented in your case also, if like what you are a +2 student, ठीक है जी, and you are having a board class, ठीक है जी. If you, the basic thing is कि if you practice everything, whatever you teachers are doing in daily routine, like what if they have taught 4 pages in a day, a topic in a day, if you'll keep on revising daily, if you make a proper routine, nothing will be difficult for you people. But if you will keep on ignoring this, कि चलो फिर कर लांगे, tomorrow we'll do it, day after tomorrow we'll do it, no, then it won't be possible for you to cope up with these things. So after that, psychological factors comes in ahead. You will be under stressed. यार मेरे तो एक चैप्टर पे, मेरे तो 4 चैप्टर पे, how will be able to cope up with the whole of the syllabus? So then decision will be yours. ठीक है. So same we are going through this topic, psychology and sports. So but psychological factors also enhance the high level of sport performance. Nowadays psychological training helps the even players or athlete to improve their decision making, stress management and behavior based on understanding past behavior to better predict future behavior. ठीक है जी. Suppose I will give you one example for that. So example is कि suppose any child has joined athletics as a sport. ठीक है जी. He wishes to join athletic as a sport. कि the first example of first paragraph psychology वाला. So this is personality we'll be discussing, but I want to continue with that thing only. कि suppose we are discussing about behavior, like what if the child has started he is a newcomer, he is running 100 meters in 16 seconds, suppose. ठीक है जी. After practicing for 6 months, timing comes to 14 or 14, ठीक है, 14 seconds. Then again 6 months, then 12, ठीक है. A trained athlete. It is not a, I am just giving you an example. It is not a simple or short process. Performance is a long time process. It may take 5 years to achieve that performance. ठीक है जी. No one can be like Usain Bolt because he was having a natural talent. ठीक है. Then I was just trying to explain you the basic meaning. ठीक है जी. Then after 1 year, another 6 months, after 1.5 years, that timings come to 11 seconds. He is running 100 meters in 11 seconds. Then he goes on practicing for another 6 months. But again he is running that 100 meters in 11 seconds only. According to psychology, what might be the reason behind it? Say in the condition of your studies, child is very good. Child has scored 90% in +10th class, sorry, 95%. ठीक है. But the child has stopped performing. Means he or she is not able to cope up with he or she is getting less marks in his daily routine monthly test or weekly test or half yearly test, periodic test we can say. Same is in the condition of sports. So what psychologists they do, they try to take out the problem that what might be the wrong, what might be wrong in that child, which is not, that is the reason why the child is not performing. Why performance is not, he is not giving proper performance, we can say. Okay? So I will give you one more example also. Like I used to study in Punjabi University Patiala. So there was one professor, Dr. Randhawa. He was head of department of psychology. He was a renowned person. He was a great psychologist. So he might be right. So I'll give you one example of him. One child was not, his performance was not coming. What psychologists do? They say that, okay, tell me that they'll call the person. They'll say that if you are sleeping properly, means rest. We can say rest or relaxation. Are you taking proper rest? Means after doing rigorous exercise, are you taking proper rest or relaxation? कि सारी रात फोन पे ही लगा रहता है और टीवी देखता रहता है. That is the reason why he is not studying also, or she is not studying. So it can come to any person. ठीक है? Then diet is proper. Is he or she is getting proper diet, so that performance must be hindered due to this reason कि diet नहीं मिल रही. ठीक है? Financial condition. Means financial condition of child might not be good. That is the reason why he might be under pressure कि how will I perform, or financial problem of their house, any personal problem. Personal problem might be कि family problem. ठीक है जी, anything going on in their house or family. ठीक है जी. Then schedule we can just schedule. See कि schedule which the coach has given him, is it proper? Is it working on him? ठीक है जी. Everything has been discussed. Dr. Randhawa, he discussed 19 points. I remembered: sleep, rest and relaxation, diet, financial, personal schedule. ठीक है जी. So बल्कि then interest of a child in that game. Many problems can be. So psychologists, they will take out this problem from you. You'll tell them, and they'll try to solve that problem, so that your problem should be solved at a proper time. ठीक है जी. So that your performance should be proper now. ठीक है. Otherwise the same problem will be there. The basic thing is try to get rid of stress as early as possible, because if you will be under stress, your behavior on the ground or off the ground in the society will be different. ठीक है. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਆ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚਿੜਚਿੜੇ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਿਪਰੈਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. So this might be the reason. So try to get rid of these things very much early, so that everything should be solved and done in a proper way. So this complete our psychology and sports topic. ठीक है जी. Next time we'll be discussing about personality of a person. ठीक है. Thank you.